Hello, this is Nick with Nexus Property Management Worcester. I'm here today doing a walkthrough at this new apartment that we have for rent at 875 John Fitch Highway, apartment 38. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo on the 3rd floor in Fitchburg, Massachusetts. And I just wanted to start off by showing you the interior of the unit because we are in a big condominium complex. That tower over there is equal to the one over here, and there's 2 of them, so this one and that one. And this is what it looks like inside. So very nice in here. You got the nice carpets that were recently cleaned, and then fixtures throughout, which are nice and updated in good condition. And I'm going to kind of walk around and show you the best idea of the dimensions that you can get just from the video, backing up and all that. So this is what it looks like. Lots of light comes in from this big balcony, which takes up almost the whole amount of the wall with the glass screens. And you got a lot of good noise protection coming in from the road that's out there. That road is actually not part of the main busy part of John Fitch Highway. It's next to an athletic field. And, you know, most of the time they don't have actual games going on there. It's only for certain scheduled times. But this is the dining room. So there's the 2 outlets in here. It's probably ample room for a 4-person round table. And it's got the nice fixture with the chandelier here. We'll check out the kitchen in a second, but I wanted to show the balcony because this building is angled in a specific way to take best use of the sun. So in the morning, when the sun rises from that direction, you can be here and you're able to see it. Or if you don't want to be directly in the sun, then you're looking out at the forest that's right here, which is really cool to see. You can kind of see what a little bit of this looks like. Just going by on the right over there goes to the parking lot. So there's a parking lot with numbered spaces plus visitor parking, which I'm in this morning. So the vents for the central air temperature system. And this place is kind of divided into the bedroom and bathroom over there, plus the front and the kitchen over here. So it goes right into this little space, the coat closet, built-in shelves. And then here's the kitchen. So this has all the appliances that you would want. Really nice finishing with all these, you know, the cabinets in here and a countertop. So fridge, stainless steel sink, bin, and nozzle with the adjustable spray nozzle to settings on that as well, and a dishwasher here, 4-burner electric stove in the range oven hood with the light, and a garbage disposal. So it has that disposal there. And it's good to have a shape of a countertop like that where you can kind of have a circle around you of like everything that you would want to be in there. So this is the bathroom. See, this has vinyl floors, whereas pretty much the rest of the apartment is just carpet and then the tiles that are in the kitchen. I'm just trying to show like how big. But nice trim along the walls too. The vanity mirror with the lights there is also really good to see. And this is the shower. Then if you come through here, this is the bedroom. So really good size with this bedroom because it comes back out over this way. Kind of a rectangle shaped bedroom, but it does have nice width coming out because on the other side of this wall is the balcony too. And the shelves are kind of like the ones at the front, but a little bit more. That's the closet. So you can see there's one level of hanger over here and then another level of hanger for anything taller. Plus the shelves that are right there. And you get the same view from the balcony that you do from the window. So either way, and it has the curtain rods ready to hang up curtains. And if you want to see this or any other unit that we have for rent, you can go to nexus.wor.com and go to our for rent page to see a full list of our active vacancies and message us through there and set up an appointment with a leasing agent. Once again, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.